Hey guys, we are diving into some excited news about the OnePlus upcoming foldable phone, rumored to be the name OnePlus Open. Yes, we know that OnePlus has been making some killer smartphone, but now it's time to talk about the foldable phone. Yeah, OnePlus are very late to join the foldable game. And recently we got a hands-on video of OnePlus Open, who is very early version of the upcoming device, showing off this new foldable hands-on design and the gap loop. So as per new report, OnePlus Open is a rebranding Oppo Find Entry for the global market. Yes, OnePlus also confirmed this. That means the OnePlus Open and Oppo Find Entry are the same phone but with different name and different market. Basically, Oppo focus on China market and OnePlus focus on international market. Maybe OnePlus Open launched on 19 October 2023. Let's now talk about the phone specification. OnePlus Open is rumored to have a 7.82-inch inner display with a smooth 120Hz OLED panel, and the phone also comes with a sleek design and full screen cover the display and cool triple camera setup on the back with a Hasselblad branding. For the camera with 48 megapixel main sensor, 48 megapixel ultra wide and 64 megapixel telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom, and the front is come with 20 megapixel selfie camera. And in the front is come with 7-inch 2K resolution display with a 120Hz OLED panel, and the phone powered by Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 and also 16GB of RAM. Phone also come with 4805 mAh battery with 100W fast charging. Okay, that's about today's video. If you found this video informative, don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe my channel for more content like this. As always, thanks for watching and I will be catching the next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.